to do my weekly analysis on gold for this week. So yesterday I did not post the video because I could not record the video. So today I'll just record and upload this video. So in this video I'll talk about where I think the price on gold will go, and I'll show my key levels for this week. So let's talk about that. But first, in the previous weekly analysis, here I said that we could just start and continue going higher, and that's what the price did. It just mitigated this gap and then just continued going higher. As you can see, gold is currently in a parabolic phase, just going higher. So the plan for this week is very simple. So here, as you can see, we just have here some important bullish trade gaps. So here we have this one. We have here another one. We had this gap here, but still we have this bullish trade gap. So the plan is very simple. Hold above this gap and we're good for a continuation higher. If we lose this level, I'll expect a continuation war to mitigate this other gap. So basically we are very bullish for the next week. We don't have any more liquidity to the upside to grab, but we can just continue going higher. To the downside, the liquidity that we have to grab is this fair value gap, this other fair value gap. But this week I don't think that will go lower than this fair value gap. I just expect a continuation higher, but as I said, we need to hold this gap. So very simple plan, hold above this gap and we're good for a continuation higher. Here we will maybe form another bullish trade gap here. So the plan for the next week is just to hold above the previous daily bullish trade gap. So hold above the gaps and we are good for a continuation higher. If we start inverting some bullish trade gaps, we might just see further retracements down. But honestly, as I said before, I expect a bullish continuation. We are very bullish. We are respecting bullish trade gaps. We are respecting bullish PDRAs. So I don't see a reason to be bearish. But yes, it is what it is. It's always a good time to take profits. Gold has hit the 5k price. So just to resume my weekly analysis, if we hold above the bullish trade gaps on the daily, we are good for a continuation higher. And if we start inversing the bullish daily fair value gaps, we might just see a retracement further low. But as I said before, I expect a continuation higher. So very simple plan. I expect a bullish week. We just need to hold the bullish trade gaps if we want a continuation higher. So very simple. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. And just to say that this week I will not record any trading recap, and in the next week I'll not also record any trading recap. I will stay out of the charts. I will not stay at home. I will go on vacation, so I'll not trade. And even if I trade, I'll not record a trading recap. So just to say that in the previous week I did not uploaded any trading recap because I did not took any trades. I did not saw any good trades and good setups. It was always very late. I usually like to take a trade in the first hour of the New York session. The moves happen in the second or third hour of the New York session, so I just did not took any trade in the last week. So just to say that in the next week I'll not trade, will not record any trading recap. Just to say that. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll just come back 2 weeks from now. So like and subscribe, and see you soon.